Planning a move from Elmira City to Canada? Cross-border moves take more planning than a regular local move because you're not just moving your belongings from one home to another. You're also dealing with customs, international paperwork, route planning, delivery timing, and choosing movers who understand the process. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost of moving from Elmira City to Canada and how to make the relocation smoother from start to finish. According to 3 movers, moving a 2 to 3 bedroom home from Elmira City to Canada typically costs around $4,500 to $6,500, depending on shipment volume, distance, and services. Delivery timelines usually average 4 to 8 days, based on border processing, route distance, and provincial access points. Because this is a cross-border relocation, it's important to work with movers who are licensed, insured, and experienced with international moving requirements. 3 Movers also notes that cross-border moves require professionals who understand permits, customs regulations, and border clearance procedures. The first major cost factor is how much you're moving. A smaller apartment with basic furniture and boxes will usually cost less than a full household with multiple bedrooms, garage items, appliances, office equipment, and fragile pieces. The more items you move, the more truck space, labor, packing material, and loading time may be needed. Packing can also affect the final price. For an international move, packing matters because belongings may travel a long distance and pass through multiple handling points. Professional movers can pack fragile items, wrap furniture, organize boxes, and load the truck in a way that helps reduce shifting during transit. 3 Movers explains that professional movers can handle packing, loading, unloading, and special care for fragile or valuable items during a long-distance move. One of the biggest differences with a Canada move is border documentation. Your mover should understand customs paperwork, clearance requirements, and what information may be needed before the shipment crosses the border. Missing or incomplete paperwork can cause delays, so this is not the place to guess. A mover with cross-border experience can help make that process more organized. Delivery timing can vary depending on the route, border processing, weather, truck scheduling, and where in Canada you're moving. 3 Movers lists average delivery timelines for Elmira City to Canada moves at around 4 to 8 days, but the exact schedule depends on the shipment and destination. If your move-in date is not flexible, ask about delivery windows early. Sometimes your new home in Canada may not be ready right away. In that case, temporary storage can be helpful. 3 Movers notes that some professional movers offer post-move services, such as temporary storage, unpacking, and help arranging belongings in the new residence. That can make the transition easier, especially if there's a gap between pickup and move-in. The best way to get an accurate price is to request a quote based on your inventory, destination in Canada, packing needs, delivery timing, and any storage requirements. If you're planning a move from Elmira City to Canada, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a moving estimate.